In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change density, comfortable versus compact, in Google Drive. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make your file list feel more spacious or more efficient depending on what you need. First, log into Google Drive using your usual Google account and make sure you're on the main Drive homepage where your files and folders are listed. Think of density as the amount of breathing room between items. Changing it doesn't affect the files themselves or how they're shared. It simply changes how much space each item takes up on your screen. Once you're in Drive, look to the upper right corner of the page for the small gear icon. That gear is your settings icon. It sits in the top toolbar, usually to the right of your profile picture. If your browser window is very narrow, the icon might feel a bit tucked away, but it's always in that top right area. Click the gear icon and then select Settings from the menu that appears. This opens your main Drive settings, where you can adjust how Drive looks and behaves to better fit your workflow. In the Settings window, find the section labeled Density. This is where you control how compact or spacious your file list appears. You'll see three options: comfortable, cozy, and compact. Comfortable gives you the most space between items. It's a great choice if you prefer a clean, airy view, work on a larger monitor, or like bigger click targets for easier navigation. Cozy strikes a balance. It trims some of the space so you can see more items at once without feeling crowded, making it a solid default for most people. Compact is all about efficiency. It reduces spacing so you can scan a long list of files quickly, which can be especially useful on smaller screens or when you're working with many files at once. Go ahead and select the option that feels right for you. As soon as you click your preferred density, Drive will update your file list instantly. There's nothing else to save or confirm. If you change your mind, you can return to settings at any time and switch to a different density just as easily. To recap, log into Drive, click the gear icon in the upper right, choose Settings, head to the Density section and select Comfortable, Cozy, or Compact. Pick the view that supports how you work best, and enjoy a Drive layout that fits your screen and your style.